Alright kids, we're going to read this book called Monster Needs One More. And as we read, we're going to be counting to 5. Let's go. This hungry monster says, I have 1 cookie. I need 1 more. Let's count. Are you ready? 1. Very good. Another cookie to chew. I had 1, now I have 2. Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2. This not so happy monster says, I have 2 balloons. I need 1 more. Let's count. 1, 2. Another balloon just for me. I had 2, now I have 3. Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3. This grumpy monster says, I have 3 apples. I must have 1 more. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Another apple. Here's 1 more. I had 3, now I have 4. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. This sad monster says, I have 4 beach balls. I need 1 more. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another beach ball. Like the water, can you dive? I had 4, and now I have 5. Let's count the 5 beach balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This grabby monster says, I have 5 strawberries. I need 1 more. Let's count the strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. We'll stop right there. Thank you for counting with me.